Turtle, strength comes from within, and you must find that strength.
Splinter, are you eating garbage?
What? Ew, gross. This shouldn't be sitting around, so I'm going to take the garbage out, and you get back to your lesson.
You're taking it to your room.
You're taking it to your room. Hey, guys, remember when I ate garbage by accident? So gross, right?
Yep, it was gross.
Dare me to do it again? 'Cause you'd have to dare me, 'cause ew.
No, we're good. Splinter, are you okay in there?
You don't want to see this.
Those are used tissues, Splinter!
I know, I'm a f***ing rat. Soak it in. This is Splinter's rock bottom.
No, eating that used tampon is your rock bottom.
It's April Fresh.